Hello guys, welcome to day 182 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Today I want to try to create a loading page. So I never used to create this. I never learned to create this, but today I decided to make the first step and learning it. So first of all, I'm going to create a page and put a wallpaper for it, creating a website with wallpaper of a game, and then we decide to choose a loading template. We're choosing which kind of loading we want to put on the website, and then we're trying to code it. So let's get started. I'm going to spend about 20 or 30 minutes in order to learn this loading. Okay, let's get started. First of all, let's open our VS Code and creating a new project. So I'm going to close this one, and we are going to create a new folder. In our project folder, we can call it loading. Now I'm going to drag it and drop it here, and now click on the file, click on the new text file, select the language HTML, save it as index. Now pressing Shift and 1 key, pressing Enter, so we have a boilerplate. And now if we check this, it's a empty page, right? With nothing. We want to put a background for it. So let's find a background. A royalty free game back image, desktop image. So I'm looking for a cute one. This one looks good. This one looks good as well. But what about this one? It's not free. It's from Shutterstock. So let's see this website. We can say pixelate art. This one looks cool. This is cool as well. I'm looking for something that looks like Nintendo. It's really cool. Desktop mode. We want something for desktop. This one is good, I think. Pressing download. The size could be this, and image by Pikura from pixelate. Let's open the pixel art or image, and let's get back to our folder. Here in the loading, we are creating a folder called assets, and here we have image. Let's check, let's rename it to pixel. Now and let's create img tag. The source could be from assets pixel. Okay, let's type a class name for it or ID and call it ID. Okay, ID pixel art. Let's create a CSS style page. Save it as style. And now let's link it to external page. Let's call back the pixel art ID and I'm going to give it a height and width. Let's just check it for now. Let's see how it looks like. So big, so big. In order to fix this problem, we are going to resize it. So give it a width and height. And the height should be pixel, Control S. Can I say VH? So viewport height, it is the height of the window. Oops. So can I use percentage? Like 100% for width and 100% height. I don't want this scroll. It's too much big. I can test and practice to find out a good size. I want to see if there is any way that I can resize it to the window without any test. How to resize an image into screen resize and CSS. Resizing responsive. How to fit image into window CSS. It's in the good size right now, right? So let's put it in the center. I can use margin left. What was the code about for this? Okay, it's in the center. Now let's change the background color, which is white, to this one. But how can I find the color of this? Online color picker from screen. This is new. Pick color. Press I to pick color. In my document, see text. How can I pick a color from that website when I cannot click I'm searching for a solution in order to find the background color from this image and change this white background to it. But I don't know how to do that right now. Show details. Is your image. Let's what is this? Let's take a screenshot. Okay, save it. Here in the desktop, let's open it. So here is a RGBA. We can copy it from here, and let's say the body background color should be RGBA. Let's see the result. Now looks cool. And now let's find a template for loading. So I want to put a loading here, and it looks like the web page is loading, and after that user can log into a game. Let's see how much time we spent. It's about 20 minutes. Let's use more time. How to create a loading spinner in CSS. Loading in CSS. Okay. There's a lot of loadings here, but these are not looking cool. They are very simple. I want my loading be like a bar here, like a bar. Loading bar, HTML, CSS, I don't know. These are very simple in template. Cool loading bar in CSS. This looks cool because our page is also pixelated. So how can I use this? Let's see more. How can I use this demo and code? Okay, it works. These are the CSS code for it, and these are the HTML codes for it. Let's just copy it into our code. In body section. I think we don't need this part, right? And the CSS but here it's rated HTML. I hope the thing that I removed will not make any problem, but just let's paste it here, press Ctrl S and check our document. It works, but it's very big and these are extra, we need to remove them. Let's do some changes. And by the way, let's just again copy this and paste it here without removing that HTML and see what will happen. Okay, it's better to remove this HTML. Nothing going to happen. We want these 3 lines removed. Okay. And we want to resize this to a smaller size. So I think we have to target this class, loader bar. It have this size. We can say it should be like 100 pixel, and 30 pixel. Let's check it. Nothing happened. Let's close this page, open it again. Maybe we see some changes. Still nothing happened. Why is that? Let's use inspect to check this part. So these are separated from each other. Block border, block border, block border. So we have to target something called block border. Here are block border. These are a lot of block borders. So technically I can say block border and it will choose all of these div classes, right? Let's say all right, we can use this one. Block border width should be 100 and height should be 30 pixel. Press Ctrl S. Let's hope. Oops. We mess around with things and things get wrong. Alright, we spent about 30 minutes. That's good enough for today. I'm going to remove this one. Let's get everything back to normal. So tomorrow I'm trying to fix this problem, which is this loading bar is too much big. Let's trying to resize it and put it under this picture. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow.